Hello, Khamagani, Bunzo Avia Menu. Today we will discuss about the culpable homicide and murder. As these two words, law student must be familiar with these because they have gone through this word in IPC 1860. So first of all, we will discuss about the culpable homicide. Culpable homicide is defined in section 299 of Indian Penal Code 1860, and the punishment provisions of culpable homicide is in section 304 IPC 1860, that is life imprisonment, imprisonment for 10 years with fine or both. Culpable homicide is cognizable and non-bailable, and it is triable by court of session. Now we will move to murder. Murder is defined in section 300 of Indian Penal Code 1860, and its punishment provision wherein under section 302, that is death, life imprisonment and fine, and it is also cognizable offence and non-bailable and triable by court of session. Now we will move to the basic meaning of culpable. So the basic meaning of culpable is blameworthy. The person is considered as considered as blame for something. And then we move to homicide. Homicide means killing of one person by another. And meaning of murder, the unlawful killing of another human being without justification or excuse. Now we will move to another thing. According to section 299 of IPC, culpable homicide is defined as whoever caused death by doing an act with the intention of causing death, or with the intention of causing such bodily injury as it is likely to cause death, or with the knowledge that he is likely by such act to cause death, that is amount to culpable homicide. So there are three important components in section 299. First of all, death is caused, but how it is caused? First we have intention is there. Intention is there to cause death. The person who is killing someone, he has the intention to cause death of that person. Now second point is with the intention of causing such bodily injury which is likely to cause death. It means that person has an guilty mind, has an intention to cause such type of bodily injury which is sufficient, which is likely that will cause to death, or with the knowledge that he is likely by such act to cause death, or that person has the knowledge that by doing this act the death will be caused. Now we will move to section 300, that is defined murder. It defined as intention of causing death, offender knowing to be likely to cause of the death to the person to whom harm is caused, and done with the intention of causing such bodily injury to any person, and the bodily injury to be sufficient in the ordinary course of nature to cause death. And fourth point we have imminently dangerous and in all probability it will cause death. First of all, the components of murder are, first we have intention of causing death. The intention is also there to cause death of someone, and the person who is causing death to that person, he know it कि harm will be caused. He knowingly to be caused the death of the person to whom harm is caused. And then we have he has done with the intention of cause bodily injury to any person, and bodily injury would be sufficient that will cause to death. And fourth, we have in all probability, there is no chance of escape. There is no chance of survival. In all probability, that particular act will cause death. I hope you like it.